What's up everyone? We're back with the 2020 4Runner TRD Pro, and today we're going to be installing some side steps or predator steps or rock sliders, whatever you want to call them. What you'll need to do this is simply just a 12mm socket and your steps. That's about it. Here's the new bolts that came with the steps, and here's one of the old bolts I took off the body right now. They're both 12mm, really easy, straightforward. There's 6 bolts, so let's get to it. Here are our new steps. Toyota gave these to us with the car, and we just wanted to install them by ourselves just because. But as you can see, there's 2 over here, 2 over there, and 2 over here. So it's just gonna be taking off 6 bolts and putting this on. So let's get her done.
You got both yours in?
No, it's this plastic piece right here. So we ran into a bit of a problem. This little, whatever this is blocking the stuff from going on. Looks like 2 10mm bolts. We're gonna remove that and continue on.
Paperwork.
Alright, get back on it. This is going in, right? So like the problem we have right now is that the front looks like it's pushed in a little too much. I'm gonna try capturing it on video. You can kind of see it. How it looks like it's sticking out a little bit more right over there, and like kind of comes in at a slant, and it's kind of pushing in the front. So we're gonna try pulling that back, pushing that in, and trying to even it out before we tighten it up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we're kind of idiots. Tightening up all the bolts did bring it back up and made it line up much better. Of course it did. So sorry Toyota for making fun of your manufacturing. But it looks good now. Let's go ahead and try the step. Oh, and he scratched his paint. It's all good though. No, I'm just kidding. All right, open the door. Does it help at all? Oh, wait, let me get you on another angle.
Don't you think it's a little too forward? Or am I tripping?
No, try it out. Try the back.
Yeah.
Does it help?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Makes it a lot easier.
I feel like for us, we're pretty tall, but maybe for someone who's shorter. But looks awesome. We're gonna finish up the other side. I'm not gonna really record the other side. It's literally the same process. Just remove the same bolts, just, you know, mirrored, opposite, symmetrical.
Oh, it's a good thing for these side steps, otherwise it won't get out.
Hey guys, I'm using my steps. Perfect angle. Yeah. There you go, that's much better. Everything's cleaned up, but let us know what you think. I do like how it matches the whole black theme with the whole TRD Pro going on, and this kind of matches the color on the roof rack. And yeah, good luck with your install. That was probably the easiest side step install I've ever done. Shout out to Toyota for making that easy. And thanks for watching. If there's any questions or comments, put them below. Peace. TRD Army Green 4Runner steps, about to install on the car. Perfect, dude.